Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, meron tayo ulit isang example using logarithmic absolute value differentiation. Okay? So first thing is, again, take the ln of both sides. So ln y equals ln ng 2x minus e to the 8x raised to sine 2x. Okay? So now, using power rule ng logarithm, so this is ln y equals sine 2x times ln ng 2x minus e to the 8x. No? So we are performing our manipulation. Okay? So now, pwede natin ngayon is to perform implicit differentiation. So derivative ng ln y is 1 over y dy over dx. Then, this is product rule. So d left right times d right left. No? So this is cosine 2x times derivative ng 2x is 2. Okay? Times ln ng 2x minus e to the x. So ln 2x minus e to the 8x. Okay? Plus, so copy natin yung sine 2x. So this is sine 2x times derivative ng ln 2x minus e to the 8x. So this is 1 over 2x minus e to the 8x times derivative ng 2x minus e to the 8x. So this is 2 minus e to the 8x times 8. Okay, so ito na yung buo natin na derivative ng right side. And then last step is we isolate dy over dx. No? So this is dy over dx. So multiply natin both sides by y. Okay, so copy lang natin lahat yan. So this is cosine 2x times 2 ln 2x minus e to the 8x plus sine 2x 1 over 2x minus e to the 8x times 2 minus e to the 8x times 8. Okay? And multiplied by y. So y natin is 2x minus e to the 8x raised to sine 2x. Okay? So multiplied yan by this term. Okay? So important lang na we are explicitly solving for dy over dx and hindi lang natin linilive as 1 over y dy over dx kasi we are taking the derivative. No? So dy over dx dapat yung sinosolve natin. Okay? So has been another example for logarithmic absolute value differentiation, and I hope to see you in the next video.